do a little ride and drive section. I'll go backwards today on how I normally do things. Let's go. I hate traffic. How about you guys? We're riding a 72 El Camino. It shows 29,584 miles. Shifts out nicely. We fixed the air conditioner in it, put new hoses on it, converted it over to R134A, so that's already been done for you. Interior's nice on this car. Radio doesn't work. It's got some auto tech. It's just a cheap radio for back then. Taking her up to the airport. My door's shut good. There we go. Thought it had an air leak, but it didn't. It was a door leak. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge works. It's got the idiot lights for the oil pressure gauge and all the other stuff. So this car drives out smoothly. Great car show car. All the local crews in. No rattles in the engine. The cab is quiet. That's not wore out. The arms usually wear out on the rearview mirror and they flop. Could use the tires balance, I think, just because it's set. Which I can do that for the new owner. It's no problem. Or we ship it out, or you come get it, whatever you decide you want to do. We ship 99% of the cars we sell. Power the internet. You know, just due to the area we're in, we're pretty low income in a lot of the areas. So naturally, a higher end car just doesn't sell like it does in California or maybe Michigan or New Mexico, wherever we send them to. We send cars all over the world, and not every country, but Japan, and Australia, and the Netherlands, Germany, places like that. So we do have import-export capabilities if that's something that you desire. We've also started a new company. It's called American Classic Appraisals. If you're looking to purchase a car and it's not in your area, I have a network of inspectors that we can use to go out and take a gander at that car, as us really say, to make sure it's legit and it is what they say it is. Last month alone, I think it was $85,000 I personally kept folks from wiring to someone that was overseas, just by going and physically looking at the dealership and then coming to find out that there was no dealership. So there's scammers out there everywhere, guys. We're trying to take them out one person at a time, and it's a very, very reasonable fee to do that. We do insurance appraisals, we do estate appraisals. Started yesterday on an estate with 29 cars so far that we've found. Probably a couple more is going to pop up next day or so. So we try to do a little bit of everything. One-stop shop for all your classic car needs. We're going up to the world famous Pike County International Airport, where flights come in daily from Hazard, from Whitesburg, from Northern Virginia. That's not really international, is it? Very small airport, private. It's not a private airport. It's county and city ran and owned. But there's no jets flying in here from Delta or anything like that. The nearest airport, if you decide you want to fly in and drive this car home, is 90 miles in Charleston, West Virginia. That's the closest one. And we also have Lexington, Kentucky. Lexington is about 2.5 hours from here. We can always pick you up at the airport and bring you up if you decide that's something you want to do. Well, guys, I'm going to jump out of here. I'm a little backwards, so I'm going to do the walk around as soon as I get stopped. Pretty out today. It's supposed to rain all day, but thankfully it didn't. He is. Somebody put a cow induction fluid on it. I'm one-handed today. My helper's not here, so I can't get it open, but I'll include a hood photo underneath. That's not a bubble, that's just like a paint imperfection there. Small run, I guess. Chrome's pretty nice on the car. Pick this format up. Keep it running, keep that air conditioner. It's 94 here today. 94 in Eastern Kentucky is horrible too. Because there's no air stirs really. Not like you're in the Gulf. You feel the breeze blowing all the time. We miss the Gulf. It does have a Kentucky title with it. Kentucky tag. Got a little bit of a manifold leak we need to take care of down here on the bottom, sounds like. Yes. Still got the original manifolds on it. On this side, wipers work on the car. There you guys go. You're looking for a nice 1972 El Camino, show and go. This would be a great Cannon for you. She's rocking the original 350 2-barrel carb setup. She was a factory 350 car. Still retains that engine setup, 350 turbo transmission. Give us a call today. My number is 270-790-7534. You can reach me online at jimshortclassics.net. You can look us up at also AmericanClassicAppraisal.com if you'd be interested in the appraisal situation I was telling you about. Thank you guys for checking it out. Talk to y'all soon. May God bless y'all each and every one.